Alright, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install LED lights in a 2002 Toyota Solara. I already put this one right here on the right side. I'm going to show you guys how to put the other one in right here. This is the LED light. See, it only has one connection, so that's all you got to worry about. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to reach in here where the headlight is, and if you look right here, you're going to see you see that red connection right there. That's the that's where your light connects to. So what I'm going to do is there's a little button you press on it, and just figure out where that button is, and push on it. And you might have to apply some pressure. Hold that. So the button's kind of toward the top. It's kind of a tight squeeze in there. See if I can use two hands. Having a hard time here. Let's try a different way. I'm gonna try taking the whole light out. So I should just have to turn it to the left and pull it out. Yeah, that worked. So what I did was I grabbed the light from the, you can grab the back of the light and twist it to the left and it'll pop right out. You see that? And turn it to the right to put it back in. So now I'm gonna try to get that connection off that I was telling you about. Have to push on it toward the top here. Let's see. Oh, you know what? There it goes. I was pushing on it from the wrong spot. What I needed to do was push on it from back here. Right here. So now that that's out, it's time to put the LED in. Let's see, I'm gonna grab that connector and let's see, I'm gonna line it up. I'm looking for this little bump right here, and that I'm gonna line it up with the connection where it clips. Put it right in there. Make sure you hear the click and get it in there right. Alright. Now that that's connected, I'm gonna put this back in the hole and I'm gonna twist it toward the right. Let's see here. Put it right back in that hole. Okay, got it in. Okay, I lined up the notches that are on the LED light, and let me just make sure I got it in right. Yep, looks nice and straight. Now the moment of truth. Let me turn the car on and see if it works. And there you have it. Yep, that's it. Pretty easy. Just have to sometimes you got tight spaces in cars, so you gotta figure out how to best put your hand in it. But that's it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.